Hi, my name is Jessica with Radius Agent, and welcome to our newest tutorial. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to write an offer in our new My Offers feature in our Radius dashboard. Let's begin. The first thing you'll want to do is, under Transaction Management section, select My Offers. Here, as a team lead, you can see all of the offers that are being written by your team. You can click this down arrow here to filter through either your offers or your team members' offers. There's additional search bars over here on the right-hand side. You can search by offer status, or you can search by address or agent name. All right, let's begin writing an offer. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Submit an Offer. The first step will be to fill in the cover sheet. Here, you'll fill in selling agent information, buyer agent information, as well as offer information. In offer information, please be sure to include all the subject property information as well as the financials. Here you'll find a live active worksheet for the financials for this transaction. As you can see, as you adjust the numbers here, the balance of the down payment will adjust as well. All of this information will map seamlessly onto your offer document when you're ready to send it for signatures. Next, we have our document information section. If you would like to include any additional documents to your offer packet, you may do so here. You're able to include a contingency removal, financing addendums, seller in possession after closing, for example. After you've filled in seller information as well as listing information, you'll be asked to select your preferred vendor for escrow and then for financing. Under financing, please select the financing type for your buyer, as well as your preferred lender if your buyer is obtaining a loan. Once you've completed the cover sheet, then you'll be asked if you'd like to attach a cover letter to your offer document packet. Next, we have our documents. This is the purchase agreement that has populated based off of the information in your cover sheet. As you can see, the statuses of these documents say incomplete. You will need to simply click on each document to ensure that they're ready to be sent for signatures before doing so. As you can see, once the document has been prepped, the status changed to active. Here you will see the purchase agreement. All of the information we submitted in the cover sheet has mapped over to our purchase agreement seamlessly. You will only have to input this information once. We still enabled editing at this point. So if you want to add any additional terms, you are still able to do so. Once your documents are prepped and ready to be sent for signatures, the status will change from incomplete to active. Simply select all and click Sign and Send Documents for signatures. Once you send the document for signatures, you will be prompted to sign first. You, as the agent, will always be in first position for signatures. Simply click here, View and Sign. Once you've signed the document packet right out of the dashboard, the status will change from your signature pending to processing and then to sent. And then you will know the documents have been sent to your buyer client to sign via email. Once your buyers have signed the offer, then the status will change from sent to completed. This will allow you to move to the next step. Now you're ready to attach a pre-qualification letter and then send your offer packet to the listing agent for signature.